Here's how to change your age on TikTok. Now, open up the TikTok app if you haven't already on your iPhone or Android. We need to get to your settings to do this. So at the very bottom right, tap on the profile button. And then at the very top right, tap on those three lines. Now you'll be able to see at the very bottom is settings and privacy. Tap on that. Now, unfortunately, there's no way to see what your current birthday is on the app and to change it in the app, but there is a third party or workaround option to be able to change that birthday. To be able to access it, we need to actually get out of the app, but we can basically just get to the Help Center instead. Now, within the Help Center, you'll be able to see, I'm going to scroll down and under Account, I'm going to tap on See More. And now you can see on here, Account and Profile, we're going to choose Editing Profile. And then Editing Profile, again, if you read through this help page, you can see a bunch of questions, but none of them pertain to your birthday. What we're going to do is tap on the Chat with Us. Now from here, you can see it says, what do you need help with? I'm going to choose Account here. And now finally, it says, I want to update my birthday. So you need to contact TikTok support to update your birthday. You can't do it in the settings of the app. So from here, I'm going to tap, I want to update my birthday. And then you can see the automated response will say, if you think you made a mistake when entering the birthday, you can tap on Confirm Birthday below and then choose the method. So I'm going to hit Confirm Date of Birth. And now it says, what is your date of birth? So just enter in whatever your date of birth is. Oh, I'm just going to enter in something random here and then hit Next. Now, after you've done that, you can do two different options. One is facial age estimation, where essentially you take a selfie with the camera on your phone, and it'll kind of estimate if it thinks you're that birth date or age that you entered in. Or you can do a selfie with a government ID, like a driver's license or a passport. Just do one of those two different ones, and then it will update to your correct birthday.